Hey guys! Wanna check out this handy portable thermal imager? Let me introduce it to you. First, here's what's inside the box. You'll see the main unit right after opening the package. Find the manual. Scan the QR code on the first page with your phone to download the app. Here's how to use it. Once installed, connect the device's Type-C port to your phone. And you're ready to go. When you turn on the camera, it shows the heat of objects, plus the highest and lowest temperatures in the area. It also supports picture-in-picture and filter switching to meet different users' needs. Supports 15 languages. How do you like this compact and useful thermal imager?